Now, look at him. Look at IKECHUKWU climbing our gate this morning to open the gate. Okay, now, look at him. Look at him. Where do you think this small boy is going to? This early morning, sneaking out to where? At the age of 4. This thing happened this morning. When I stopped him to ask him where he was going to, do you know what IKECHUKWU told me? Brother, audition. You see audition? Which audition? IKECHUKWU, which audition are you attending at the age of 4? IKECHUKWU opened his mouth and said, Big Brother Nigeria. Big what? IKECHUKWU, who told you that Big Brother Nigeria is for babies? Last time I told you people to always follow me to see what Big Brother Nigeria has done to my family. That IKECHUKWU, my baby brother, started kissing anything that looks like a woman after watching last year Big Brother Nigeria. Now it's about audition. IKECHUKWU does not want to watch Big Brother Nigeria on television this year, which I have been making all effort to make sure that he doesn't watch the program. IKECHUKWU does not want to watch the program, but he wants to be part of the show at the age of 4 because of woman. I asked IKECHUKWU, how did you get to know about the date for the audition? Brother, I followed the update. I said, where? Which update? Who is updating the update for you, IKECHUKWU? IKECHUKWU was the one mentioning the name of bloggers for me at the age of 4. Brother, I can check the info online. I said, which info? Check which info? Online, where? He said, yes, now. Brother, go to Nige.com, then DKH, Yaba left online. I said, hey! At the age of 4, IKECHUKWU. Hey! Okay, I asked him, when is the date for the audition? He said, brother, the BBN audition begins February 1st and 2nd, 2019 in 8 locations across Nigeria. The locations include Lagos, Port Harcourt, Calabar, Warri, Ibadan, Benin, Enugu. I said, shut up! IKECHUKWU, I said, shut up! Hey! Big brother, why? No, tell me, Big brother Nigeria, why? Big brother, why? What have you done? What have you done to my baby brother IKECHUKWU? Hey! Hey! Big brother! Please, write us on WhatsApp to tell us any video you want us to do. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video. Thank you.